Meh.
Izzy's toy time!
All right, here's Molly. Here you go.
Molly.
Here's Patrick. Here.
Patrick.
Who is this? Is this Jack?
Jack.
All right, here's Jack.
Jack.
Here we have Emily.
Emily.
You can say Emily, right? All right, let's put Emily down right here and send her on her way.
It's coming. It's coming.
Here we have Henry.
Oh, no. It's too far.
Here we have Edward.
No. Come on.
Edward's coming your way, buddy. Hero.
Hello.
Here he comes. Here we have Stanley.
Cool.
Mike.
Mike.
And Mike's Tinder. Here's James.
Go, Skyme. James.
And here's Daddy's favorite, the Flying Scotsman. Put him right here. We're missing one more Tinder right here. Coming your way. And finally, we have Winston. All right, let's go see what our son did with all those choo-choos. What did you do? You broke all of them. There's just a big pile of them. You have Hero here. You have Mike's Tinder. Here's Molly. I don't think she has a Tinder, so she's good to go. But apparently you put some farm animals. All right, let's go.
Whoa. All right. Uh-oh. We got an attachment. We're going to take it. Daddy, you did a good job. This looks really cool.
Thanks.
Well, Daddy, you have a... So Mommy figured out Daddy's loophole.
Wait. No, I know how to fix this.
We go backwards.
Come back. No, go all the way back around. Yeah, let's go back.
Okay,
First we got to remove these guys.
Okay.
Let's lift this up.
Okay.
All right, let's put them on. We're gonna detach here. All right, we're Oh no!
Oh no!
That's how you fix it?
Yeah,
Daddy,
so we
Daddy,
twirl it
wait.
around
No.
and watch.
Oh, I
Open
get
it.
it.
You get it?
Okay.
We can't get it.
I get it.
All right, now
All
I'm
right.
gonna show you guys. So keep going, keep going. And now this is where you can diverge. Keep going
Whoa,
straight. Yeah.
good call.
So now you can go straight over here, and now you're in a different part of the track.
Oh, look at that. Well, let's switch it in here. Let me see this part of your track.
All right, let's go.
I love this piece.
Me too.
All right, that's from the Brio family, I think. Oh, those don't get water. Those are coals. Oh, here we come. Here it comes. We're going this way. You going that way with Emily?
No.
No. Cool. I want to do the outer rim, so we're just kind of going to skip over that because I want to see your outer rim. This one, I think this one's one of your better ones. This is great.
All right, let's go under.
Go under the loop.
Mm-hmm.
Ding ding, ding ding. Oh, got the pile up happening. Cool.
All right, let's.
Now we go under that one.
Okay.
Roll down. I want to pick up.
Okay, and this is where, oh, we haven't gone underneath.
Pick up.
We gotta get this guy. You gonna take him, Boo Boo? Okay.
Mess.
This is a mess. Whoa. Nice. I really like it. Chugga, 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 chugga.
Yeah.
Chugga, chugga. Chugga, 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 chugga. Mwah!
Whoa, he's going fast. Going really fast. They all fell. Wow. All right, let's check it out.
Yes.
That is quite the track. Let's see.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Wow. There's definitely more than 10 there. That's pretty good.